This is my auto facial animation tool created for Tools Programming Final. We're going to run it. It'll make automatic blend shapes. So let's look at how we use it. So you gotta load in the base curves, which would be this right here. It should be a circular shape with children curves for eyebrows, lips, whatever. After you load it in, you're gonna hit the create button. It'll make 5 different faces. You can modify them, whatever. Then you're gonna be able to add these joints to the curve. I already did it because you still have to like do the weight pinning and stuff, which takes a bit of time. So let's do this. Oh, and this load mesh would be optional once you create all the curves and stuff to bind the mesh to it. So let's hit create. It'll create all of them for you. You got happy, you got sad, a little bit mad, confused, and kind of bored right there. So it'll create blend shapes with a target to the one that you selected, so it'd be the target curves right here. And go. So let's click on it. Just go to the inputs. Oh yeah, I already connected it to a separate face over there too. So you got happy, you got sad, you got mad, kind of confused, and bored. And that's pretty much it. You do have the option to add whatever amount you want to the curves. So you just hit that. It'll do all the calculations for you to place them evenly. So if you want 10, it'll do all that, even though it's kind of a lot. Or even 20. Pretty much, yeah. I'll do all that for you. Thanks for watching.